Hey everyone, just going to take a few minutes here to explain what you need to do here on the Essay Basics assignment quiz. Go ahead and pull that up here. So first things first, remember, this is just an assignment. It is in the quiz area. It is, formatted like a quiz, but please remember, it is just an assignment. You will get points taken off for what you get wrong, but you will be given the opportunity to make corrections. I'll provide more information on that next week once I've graded the assignment. But this is practice, right? This is practice with basic essay elements, and your chance to figure out if you understood all of these elements, if you need more help with some of them. I don't want you to be super stressed just because it's in the quiz format, okay? Obviously, if you are watching this video, then that means you have achieved all of the release conditions, which included going through all the lessons here in week 2. But, don't forget that this is an assignment. You are allowed to go back and look at the lessons to help you answer the questions, right? And you don't have to worry about the estimated length here or the time. It'll tell you, but it's not going to kick you off if you go past 2 hours. I hope it doesn't take you 2 hours straight to do this, but if you aren't closing out, if you aren't saving your progress and exiting, then that could go up really high. that estimated length or how your time taken is fine. It's an assignment. Take all the time you need. Obviously, it's due Sunday night, but take all the time you need. Go back to the lessons if you need to. Work on this bit by bit if you want. There's 26 questions, but it depending on how quickly you get through it. I mean, it could take some time, so you don't have to do it all at once. Just make sure that you are saving your progress and not hitting submit. And then you can come back to it. But we are looking at basic essay elements. You've got a couple questions here on introductory paragraphs, right? You've got some questions on identifying strong thesis statements. So you'll have a pair of sentences, a pair of thesis statements. One of them is really strong, the other one, not so much. And your job is to choose the one that is the strong one. Which thesis statement makes the best / strongest thesis statement? So you've got a few of those. And then you're going to have some practice at creating thesis statements. So I give you an example here, and the example shows the topic, it shows the main points, and then it shows how we take the topic and the main points to create the thesis statement. So then it'll be your turn. Topic, main points, and now you create the thesis statement. Same thing here in number 10, right? I give you the example again, and then your turn. Topic, main points, now you create the thesis statement. Pay attention to the example. It will help a lot. Then we're switching to topic sentences, identifying topic sentences. This is very similar to some of the exercises from the point PowerPoint. You have a paragraph that's missing its topic sentence, and you are given some options. And from those options, you will choose the one that makes the best topic sentence for that paragraph. Right? We have a few of those. Then you will get a turn to create topic sentences. So you've got a paragraph missing its topic sentence. You're going to read through the paragraph and think of, okay, what are the main ideas in this paragraph? What seems to be the focus? And then you will attempt to create the topic sentence for the paragraph, right? So there's 2 of those, right? 14 and 15. Then you've got distinguishing between point and support, right? You have a list of sentences here, And we know that one of the sentences is the overall focused point, and the other sentences are the supporting examples, right? So you'll look and, your options, PSS, point, support, support. So does that mean this is the point and these two are the supports? Or do you think it goes SPS, support, point, support, right? So you'll choose from here, and the P's and the S's correspond to which sentence do you think is the point, which ones do you think are the support. We did this in the support PowerPoint as well. There were some examples. And you'll do that for 17, and you'll do that for 18. Once we get to question 19, we're moving on to looking at vague versus specific support. So we've got two paragraphs here, and you need to decide which one provides the use of specific supporting examples. One of them is vague, the other one is specific. Choose the one that you think is the specific example. So you'll do that for 19, 20, 21. Then we're moving into coherence. So you've got here in question 22, a paragraph of 5 sentences, and they are all out of order. Your job is to figure out what the topic sentence is, and then the order of the remaining sentences. Obviously, your topic sentence, you've got a drop-down menu here, see? Obviously, your topic sentence should be number 1. And then you figure out the order of the rest, right? You'll do the same for question 23, 5 sentences, find the topic sentence and mark it as number 1, and then figure out the order of the rest. And question 24, same thing, except we've got more than 5 sentences. There are 11. So find the topic sentence, mark it as number 1, and then figure out the order of 2 through 11. Then you've got a couple questions on concluding paragraphs, a couple true or false, right? So do your best, but don't get too stressed about it. It's in a quiz format just to make it more accessible, easier to see wrong answers if you want to make corrections, which again, I'll explain next week. But this is your chance to practice. This is your chance to see if you are understanding these concepts, right? Try to have that in by Sunday night. If you have questions or run into any problems at all, definitely reach out, right?